for you. This one is gonna be some lights. Let me open those up for you. Here they are. We're gonna be replacing the door lights on all 4 doors. They're located right underneath, right there. I already turned them off so that when I pull them out, they're not hot and burn my hand. But guys, so you wanna come up to the door here, and that light is gonna be located right there. So what you wanna do is get something pry from here, this corner right here, and then pry right out. Just that easy, guys. Look at that, the bolt even came out. All right, let me get that out, unclip that, and put the new one on. All right, guys, once you guys clip that new one in, as easy as just tuck this back in, push up, and you're done with that side. So I'm gonna repeat that step for all sides, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so we removed all 4 of these and installed the new ones. They're on the vehicle already. We're gonna turn them on for the first time, but as you guys can see, it's still daylight outside. We are inside my garage, but let's see how they look. Later on at night, I'm gonna show you how they look as well. Wow. So as you guys can see, they still look somewhat clear in the daylight. As you guys can see. But during the daytime, if you turn on the stock OEM ones, you don't see anything there. So at least you see something during the daytime. But obviously, they're utilized for the night. And we'll take a look later on. It's pitch black in here right now, but that's just so you can see how high quality these puddle lights are. All right, I'm gonna open up the door so you guys can see how these look in the dark. There you guys have it. As you can see, the quality and the HD on that logo is crazy. These are the back. That's how they look. And yes, I am going to be changing those interior lights here shortly soon. So stay tuned for that as well. I'm going to pull out the car right now and show you. As you can see, we're outside now. Let's take a look at these lights. Let me turn that off real quick. Pretty bright. Looks nice. And these go all the way around. So let me open all those doors and show you a quick look around the car. Start from here. Here's one last close-up look at that Scatpack logo. This mod might not be for everyone, but I actually like the Scatpack branding, the logo. So that's the reason when I went with this, and the HD quality in these lights are definitely worth it. They look dope in my opinion, so that's why I went with it. Alright guys, but that is it for this one. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe or consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you guys turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming mods. Peace.